Today we are unboxing and diving deep into the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, a smartwatch that combines premium design with cutting-edge features. Right off the box we are greeted with this stunning smartwatch. In the box we have got the watch itself, a magnetic charger and a quick start guide. As this is a GT5 Pro mode, this one comes in titanium with a ceramic back built to outlast the elements. It is durable yet stylish, making it perfect for both elegant and sports wearing. And it's got IP69K water resistance, meaning it can handle some serious splashes or even free dives up to 40 meters. Some of the main features that stands it out from normal GT5 watch are golf mode and diving. The golf mode is a standout, providing detailed 3D views of over 15,000 courses worldwide. From heart rate monitoring to sleep analysis and even stress and SpO2 levels, this watch is a health powerhouse. Up to 14 days of usage or 10 days with heavier use. And yes, it supports always on display, so you are not sacrificing style for longevity. I have been testing this watch for a week, whether it's tracking my walking, playing paddle, or keeping me connected with its seamless Bluetooth calling and message notifications. It's been flawless. And here it is comparison versus GT1, the very first version of GT watch, and I must admit this one still looks very good. After all these years of usage, it is still working very nicely, and all the buttons, everything, all you can see very similar features like this new one, so not much change from the very first version of it. And you can see the styling. Even this old one still, in my opinion, looks more fashionable than this new one. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the old one or the new one. In both of them the battery is very good. It's lasting around 10 days without any problem, even with the frequent usage of the watches. Let's explore some additional features of the watch. So you can put some funny face watches here, like this panda. Every time you put like a new screen, it will give you a new animation, so that's fun to keep the kids. And what I don't like is like when you tap or something, it does not wake up. Only with this gesture it will wake up, and also if you press the button. So if you want to change this face watch, you keep the finger here, and now you can explore some additional ones, as you can see here. But many of them, for me, they are not that cool as this first one, which is like when you are doing some walking and you can use offline maps. But let's put, for example, this one, so you can see how this one looks. And if you press here, you can explore some of these additional features. So let's go with them. You can use here either a list or here like a grid, and then you can use this one to zoom in and zoom out, but I prefer the list as the visibility is better. So you can do some workout that I already showed you. You can do some golf, and this is only available at the Pro version, and diving, and you can see a lot of them is about working out, staying fit. Heart rate, the one I am disappointed with this watch is because I bought it mostly for that ECG option, which showed that it is available in United Arab Emirates, but I could not find it even on the mobile app. When I searched, I could not find it. So that's one disappointing thing, because I only went for Pro because of that option. I am not using diving or golf, so I don't need for anything else except that ECG. And the only difference there is also this titanium body around it, which is also not that much worth compared to the normal one. So let's go some other option. This one is to measure your level of oxygen in your blood. So this is fine, as you can see here. And then some other options is skin temperature, sleeping, some walking, and some other parameters, as you will see here. And of course, this one you can use as a scroll, or you can use both finger or this one to control the motion. This one you can use like a back option instead of the button. You can monitor some stress, you can do some breathing exercises, so it will kind of help you. So you will see here how you can inhale and exhale. So it will say now inhale, take a deep breath, and then exhale. So this you can do like for 1 minute or for longer exercises. As you can see here, there is a couple of the modes like this one below for the stress relief. Some other option, call, everything is available, synchronized, contacts, calls, notifications, music, weather. Wallet is also not available in my region, which I was also disappointed to see. Calendar can be synchronized with your calendar. Advice from me, I would go for a cheaper option, the normal GT5, or if you really need these options, then you can go for the GT5 Pro. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about this watch? Did it satisfy your expectation, or for you also it is a bit disappointing with the options it offers? What I can say is that it definitely looks cool. You can both wear it in some sport occasion as well as some elegant with suit. Tonight we want to play some pedal, but unfortunately, as you can see here, there is no pedal option. So for workout, there is a lot of options like indoor, outdoor, cycle, pool, diving, golf. Because this is the Pro version, it has diving and golf, skipping, hiking, all the things, skiing. But the paddle and tennis, I don't see anything similar, as you can see here. There is other, but in other it's just like looks like a normal one. I will try that one. But other than that, I see a custom one here. Not sure like how to set up, if we can set up something here similar, but yeah, we will play for 1 hour and we will see the results of the workout. So we have been playing for 1 hour exactly, and you can see it's only 360 calories, which is maybe like one chocolate bar. So you can see actually how much you need to play to consume only from one chocolate bar. And the heart rate, it was going to 180. Let's see if we can stop it. The good thing is while you are playing is that continuously it is notifying you like every 20 minutes what's the status and everything. And let's see now the recovery rate of the heart, how it is going. So pretty cool for sport as well. Is the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro worth it? If you are an adventure seeker, fitness enthusiast, or someone with simply loves top-tier tech with style, this is for you. At its price point, it's not just a smartwatch, it's your ultimate lifestyle companion. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.